Hello everybody, I was thinking about ending the beginner part of our course. You must be asked why and say we have classes, oriented, lambda, models, scope math and very function, file handling and everything else. But I will end it today. Because of why? Because I want to teach you the thing that we have in some project, some big project. You learn how to use ChatGPT and more like these apps to understand better how to work with programming, not just learn lots of functions and don't know how to write it algorithmic. Because of that, what we are going to create, I'm going to start a great project on which we are going to create a Lightner. Some of you may know what Lightner is. Lightner box. Lightner box, okay. Let's say for learning. How to make. Okay, I think we must have it, but why we don't have it? The Lightner box, it's an easy thing for learning and understanding. We want to create it and make a clear use of it. And this is just the ending lesson of a beginner course. I appreciate your work. You have done a great job. You study up here and this is the ending. I'm very proud of you. But if end is a new start and we are going to start to write our Lightner, it's very useful. You can use it in many ways and we are going to write it and try to use it. Okay, until the next lesson that we start our project, if you need anything and want, you can ask me in the comments. I will answer you. And please like and subscribe for seeing more projects of me. And some of you may ask why the times are low, because I like creating each thing part by part for you to better understanding and better done the job for you. Have a nice